What's happening? It's K-Mac. We're in beautiful Telluride, Colorado, and today I want to talk to you about CloudFormation. No, not cloud formations, CloudFormation, and how to manage, automate, and deploy your CloudFormation stacks using N0. Here we are on the N0 dashboard. We're going to go ahead and enter our CloudFormation project. In this project, we're going to create a new environment. There are two ways to do this in N0. The first is by using a version control system integration as a one-off deployment. The second is by using a template that we predefined. Here we have an S3 bucket that's being created in CloudFormation. If we click Review Code, we can actually inspect the Git repo hosting the files for this template. In this case, we're creating an S3 bucket that hosts a static website. Let's go ahead and click Run Now. By selecting Run CloudFormation Change Set on pull requests targeting this branch, N0 will comment back to your pull requests, and we can enable a pull request type of workflow. Here we have a destroy environment concept, also known as a TTL. This is especially useful if you're creating ephemeral environments or want to create guardrails for how long developers can stand up an environment for and not leave unused resources staying out in the cloud. Here we can set our variables. Variables in N0 are inherited hierarchically. For example, this management secret key is inherited from the organization layer, therefore we cannot change it, and it's also sensitive, so we cannot change it. If we want to enable an approval workflow, we can uncheck Approve Plan automatically, go ahead and hit Run and create that new environment. Okay, our environment's running now. Here we can see our deployment logs. Here we can see that we're waiting for approval at the CloudFormation Describe Change Set step. Since this is a new environment, there aren't any changes to the files. I'm going to go ahead and approve, and that'll kick off the rest of our deploy. Here we can see our CloudFormation stack being created, and it looks like our deployment's successful. Here's our deployment outputs. This is the S3 bucket that we've created and the website URL of our static website that we've uploaded into that bucket. But what if we need to make a change to our CloudFormation stack? Let's go ahead and make a change to our S3 template, simply update it, and create a new pull request. In this pull request is where all of the magic happens. N0 will automatically comment back on the pull request what changes were made. We can comment N0 help to see a list of available commands, and that'll tell us that N0 list returns a list of all of the available aliases that we can run commands against. These are the environments that we've created. The S3 bucket we're working on has the alias of 93620, so we're going to go ahead and run N0 plan flag E against that bucket to run a CloudFormation describe change set. If I'm happy with the details of that change set, I can run N0 apply to execute the change set. Here we can see that N0 is updating in place, executing the change set. And now we've deployed our updated CloudFormation stack. I'm going to go ahead and merge this pull request and close it. And we'll see that kicks off the deployment as part of our CD pipeline. We'll go ahead and update this resource. And that is how you create, deploy, and manage your CloudFormation stacks using N0.